Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Urbanista Seoul with your MacBook. So we have to open the case and then click and hold this button to move them to the pairing mode. And as you can see, we are in the pairing mode. So keep that case open, put it close. Now just simply open the boot settings. Take a look for the Nearby devices list. It's just right here. And select your Urbanista Seoul earbuds. And as you can see, we are connected, so that's all for this video. Hope you like it.